Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. As you can see with this wall of text, we're trying to find the mass inside the pressure cooker. So inside the pressure cooker, it's 100 kPa. The cross-sectional area for the opening is 6 millimeters squared. So that's the pressure release. And the atmospheric pressure is 101 kPa. They want us to draw the free body diagram and find the mass inside. So step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So here is the lid with the pressure, and here is the pressure cooker. So this pressure release is the area. And we have inside, which is 100 kPa, and the outside is 101 kPa. Step 2 lists all the given variables and the unknown, so we're trying to find the mass inside. Step 3, find the formula for mass from weight. So weight is equal to the gauge pressure multiplied by area. We expand that out. Mass multiplied by gravity is equal to the right hand side, so we bring gravity to the right hand side by dividing both sides. So we've got mass is our subject now, so we're going to use this equation and we're going to find the mass. So step 4, find the mass. So we just plug in the values. So inside pressure is 100 kPa. We convert our 6 millimeters squared into meters squared, so we change that to 6 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared, and then we divide by gravity, 9.81 meters per second squared. That will give us 0.0612. Wow, yes, if you round that up to 4 decimal places, it will be 0.0612. But here is the full number. Okay, so that's looking about 6 grams of mass inside the pressure cooker. So that is the mass of the petcock for the pressure cooker. So that is how much steam it has released. Okay. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. It is found in your taskbar. If it's not there, type it in Windows search, snipping tool, open it up, and then click on video, then new. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. Once you have that, left click and drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen, then hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. This is just a picture of the reference. Okay, once you do that, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. So thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so you probably won't be able to find it, or they won't be able to find it. If you find a mistake or if you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.